Hello my viewers, welcome to my channel for my very first video, garden theme. Please go through the description box below for the list of decorative materials and accessories used. The very first thing you have to think is about the theme. You can go with the season or festival which falls under the specific month or photoshoot. Use a matching dress for the theme. Baby vests are evergreen outfits. Create a landscape with all the materials you have at home. You don't need to spend money for each photo shoot because you can be creative with what you have. Beach theme. Always think of baby's comfort while dressing him and taking photos. Do not compromise with baby's safety and mood. Feed the baby 1 hour before and let him sleep for some time before taking the photographs. Wash the seashells with soap water before using them. Play melodious songs or the songs which will uplift the mood of your baby. Don't forget to go to the beach with your baby. Surfing theme. It's the easiest, I would say. You just need a blue cloth, baby's shorts, a small scarf for surfing board, and done. Party theme. The baby is partying with his pals. This theme needs a shiny, colorful yet classy look. You can make a two-color combination which goes with the baby suit. A baby suit with a bow, battery operated lights, a solid color sari, bedsheet or curtain for background, lots of soft toys, metallic balloons, flower vase. Take photos from all different angles. Focus on baby's actions to make a story of your photo shoot. You can be creative in different ways. Use whatever you have at home. I will keep uploading videos. If you like my ideas, do subscribe my channel. Thank you.